Hi, Namaste everyone. Today, now we are going to see how we can do car driving. So in this videos, I will explain basic functionalities and my experience and how I have learned the car driving. So this is the Wagoner vehicle. So right now what you are seeing is VXI edition, and this is the dashboard what you are seeing. So this is the steering control. So first we will go one by one, then after that then we will take less important things here. So first, the main thing which I would like to show you is this is the steering wheel. So, and if you rotate the steering wheel right side, then it will turn right side, and if you rotate the steering wheel left side, car will rotate on the left side. And the next one is, will come more details on this one. The next one is the brake, clutch and accelerator. You can see, so this is a accelerator and this one is clutch and the middle one is brake. So you have to use both your legs to operate these three. And right now, so whenever so this clutch is important, because whenever you are changing or increasing your speed and doing a braking, then this clutch you have to press and then you have to apply brake. So this clutch is important to change the gears. We will talk about the gears after this one. Then this is the brake. So if you press this one, it will the vehicle will stop. And with the right leg, you need to operate this either of brake and accelerator. So when you are giving accelerator, you won't be able to brake it, so you won't be able to brake. So that's why you have to operate with one leg. So this accelerator and this is the brake. So next important one is so gear. So this is a gear vehicle. So for example, so right now it is in this position. So it is lying here in between 3 and 4. For example, so if it is a less speed, you have to be in this first gear and second gear. If your speed increases, then you have to go with third or fourth, and in case if you are going speed, you have to go in fifth gear. So this has 5 gears and 1 reverse. Okay, so for example, always if you leave the this gear, it will always come to this position 3, in between 3 and 4. Okay, so for example, if you want to go for a first gear, then what you need to do is, so you have to, this is a clutch, what you are saying, you have to press the clutch here. Okay, then take this to the left, and one is there at the front, right? So you have to move it further. So what happens is, right now this is in first gear. Now if I move this one, then it will automatically come to the in the center position, which is in between 3 and 4. So for example, if you want to so from first, so now I'm going back to the first. So the first we are in, and if you want to go for a second, middle, in between 1 and 2 middle, one more step down. So now it is in second gear. And right in the same way, now gear is in its center, which is in between 3 and 4. Take to the top. So right now it is in 3, and right now if I am pulling down, it will be in 4. So all these times, so you can observe that my left leg is on the clutch. If without clutch, you should not press all these gears. So now I have to press press the clutch. I pressed, you can observe that. Then I'll do that rotation. So right now I am in 5th gear, and in case if I want to come reverse, then yeah, so right now it is in the reverse. So this is how you need to operate. So we will do that operation, and now we know basic things how gearbox will operate. We'll go to the other important aspects now. Thank you.